Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. The first sentence is, Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold? क्या तुम्हें सर्दी लग रही है? Second, I need a warm clothes. I need a warm clothes. मुझे गर्म कपड़े चाहिए. 3. How's the weather? How's the weather? मौसम कैसा है? 4. He has a runny nose. He has a runny nose. उसकी नाक बह रही है. 4. It's very foggy today. It's very foggy today. आज बहुत ज़्यादा धुंध है. 5. I'm shivering in this cold. I'm shivering in this cold. मैं इस सर्दी में कांप रहा हूँ. 6. Do something for me, dude. Do something for me, dude. मेरे लिए कुछ करो यार. 7. My fingers are going numb. My fingers are going numb. मेरी उंगलियां सुन्न हो रही हैं. 8. Put on your sweater. Put on your sweater. अपना स्वेटर पहन लो. 9. My heels are cracking. My heels are cracking. मेरी एड़ियाँ फट रही हैं. The last one is 10. My lips are chapped. My lips are chapped. मेरे होंठ खुश्क हो चुके हैं. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.